HP OmniBook Ultra is the perfect companion if you work remotely. Powered by the Snapdragon X2 processor, it's got a range of features to help you multitask efficiently while working on the go. Let's take a closer look. It comes with a Snapdragon X2 processor, delivering fast, responsive performance even when unplugged, so you can multitask easily, swapping between browsing, work apps, and video calls. And when you're on video calls, HP's AI-powered Poly Camera Pro helps enhance both your video and audio quality, so you come across clearly in every meeting. The HP OmniBook's AI features don't stop there. With a dedicated AI processor built in, this Copilot Plus PC also helps you stay productive, whether you're summarizing information, searching through emails, or working more efficiently throughout your day. If you need color accuracy and high resolution for your day-to-day tasks, the OLED display gives you vivid colors and high contrast, so you can make sure your work looks exactly as you intend. Plus, if you use the OmniBook to watch your favorite shows, you'll get a crisp viewing experience. With its premium aluminium design, it's easy to take with you, making it perfect for working on the go or winding down with your favorite shows. If you'd like more info about the HP OmniBook Ultra, then visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.